So what's up, guys? You're here right now with Joseph Recurring Aliones, and today we're gonna talk about, or I'm gonna explain to you all the three uncommonly used words in Filipino language. So don't mind my broken arm because I've been training boxing lately, so it's part of the progress. So the first thing we're gonna talk about today is the first topic that I will tell you is kagaw. Kagaw, in short term of germs. In Filipino word, in Filipino it's called kagaw. In English it's called germs. It's basically it's just scientific. Just like you haven't taken a bath for days and you have kagaw all over your body. Yeah. So the second one is duyog. If you all don't know what duyog is a Filipino term of eclipse. So eclipse is, everybody knows what eclipse is. So eclipse is basically when our sun or I don't know what it's called, but our moon, we're gonna be basically covered by a dark hole. I don't know what to call that. But it's gonna darken up our earth. Yes. Yo. So the third one is, do you know what the third one is? I'm gonna explain it to y'all. And basically the third one is salipapaw. Is a Filipino term of airplane. We all know what airplane is. So airplane is a plane that you basically ride or flew through air. And that's all for today, guys. And once again, I'm Joseph Recurring Aliones, and thank you all for watching. Bye.